Amalungu ebhola ekhatywayo adlala kumabala aseFilipi adibene kwisikolo samabanga phezulu entsebenziswano injongo ukonyula isigqeba esitsha.
For me, as an outgoing president, we are here with the delegates. Hopefully, we're going to have a fruitful AGM where we're going to elect new leaders that's going to usher us to new direction and bring LFA to greater heights.
Yintoni umcelimngeni ongonqontsonsa kwaye ungalungiswa njani ukwenzele izinto zibuyele esiqhelweni?
One challenge is now facility. I think for the past 4, if not 5 years, we have experienced vandalism in the facility too. I think iminyaka mithathu ifayikhomini kungalayo transfer because of vandalism. Secondly, relationship here to the city of Cape Town, it's very rocky, and to a certain extent that we have been asking for things to be fixed. Number one, fencing ebala, 2, grandstand, but more importantly, lights. We haven't played in night games since 2022.
Osomashishini bokuhlala ingaba bayaxhasa okanye banegalelo abalenzayo kuphuculo zemidlalo kule ingingqi.
We're not getting support that we believe we need and we deserve with surrounding businesses, because we used to have a relationship with Goal, where Goal would sponsor a tournament and then medal, trophies. We need to rekindle that relationship with the business.
Amaqembu onke afikile phaya ku-30 kwaye iqembu ngalinye linabantwana abadlala ku-under 12, 14, 16, 18 kunye nabantu abadala. Ingaba anele amabala ukuwathwala wonke lo mthwalo kwaye ithini icebo ukuba amabala kaphelelanga?
Yes, that's the other big challenge, because one, now we supposedly have 2 fields, but the one field like namhlanje since the weather issue to big ground, there's no drainage system, so it's difficult to accommodate zonke divisions yet, even though it teams as in Dallas LFA let me not mention names, but there's all standing teams as LFA where they have abandoned 40 per each division. So now when you have one field and you cannot play midweek games during the night, it becomes a challenge. And also we are asking firmly and kindly and humbly with the City of Cape Town to say, meet us halfway. If there's things that we need to do to make sure that we fast track enhancement facility, let us know what those things are. Because now we're running a risk where Abandona, they only play 2 hours. And to what we are, Mr. Palace also talking about, the 2 hours is not sufficient considering his divisions from under 10 to under 16. We're not even counting under 18. Now we are forced to limit the Abandona to say Mabandale 15 per half, of which is not. I enhance the main goal is for the ends of the ball. So those are the things that we're hoping that the new leadership is elected and planned in conjunction with the City of Cape Town are going to so that's why we improve also.
Uthetha Mhlali uthi huntshu kuba yanda sikithi onyulwe njengomongameli encediswa ngosandile Phakade kunye noManqoba. Unobhala kuDumile Smoki, usekela nobhala kuSiphe Chofuthi kwaye unongxowa kuKhanyo Majezi.
To say thanks to you for the platform here, so that isn't you are all over, because now we don't have the preview of speaking to the SABC, EMC and all of those people. So the likes of yourself, platform here, it helps us a lot to buy those challenges here. And hopefully the city is listening, the government is listening, and maybe, just maybe, since we're going to local government elections, that might be even a boost to meet us halfway, so that we can address these challenges.
Philippine,